Best websites for free video clips. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best websites where you can find free video clips to use. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'll also show you a quick trick to download and use these clips without any watermark or copyright issues. Let's get right into it. The first site you absolutely need to know is Pexels.com. Pexels is loaded with free stock videos, and the best part is they're high quality, free to use commercially, and don't require any attribution. Is Pixabay.com? This one has both videos and music. The library is massive, and again, no copyright issues at all. It even has 4K clips. Just make sure you're filtering by video before you download. Another gem is Mixkit.co. Mixkit is built specifically for creators. It has cinematic-looking B-roll footage that's perfect for YouTube intros, background visuals, or storytelling. No login required, just download and use. Before you download anything, always double-check the license. Most of these sites let you use clips commercially without credit, but it's always smart to be sure. That's it. These websites will save you a ton of time and money, whether you're making YouTube videos, reels, ads, or presentations. If this was helpful, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more creator tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in next one.